This weekend's project is building this 900 by 600 welding fixture table. It's a little DIY flat pack kit. You just assemble the braces on the back, weld it all together yourself. And then I've got some lengths of RHS box section outside to make a frame to hold it all up. That way I can sort of customise it the way I want it, throw some castor wheels on the bottom, and we're good to go. I don't have a lot of room in here, so a little 900 by 600 table is about the biggest I can really fit in here, and it's going to be big enough for doing small TIG welding projects. Righto, let's get the top tack together. To do this project, I'm going to use the Lincoln Powercraft 200 M4-in-1 that I've had for a couple of years now. I do have the new Unimeg 200 double pulse unit. I just did a review video on that. I'll put it up in the top corner here somewhere. But this is set up for alloy. It's got alloy sheath in it, alloy wire. I really don't want to change that over, so I've sort of left this one for my old steel work, so I'm just going to use the Powercraft. Righto, she's all tacked together pretty solid. No need to go too overboard. Next step is to make the RHS box section frame. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but my brain's telling me to make sections that go neatly inside here, flush, and then put the legs off that. I reckon it'll probably work out pretty neat, hopefully. That's the braces tacked in to hold the legs. Now I'm going to cut the legs themselves. I think it's 150 for the height of the caster wheels, 5mm for a plate to bolt them to, and that top is 55mm. So I've got to cut 4 legs at 690, tack them on. Yeah, simple as that. home to make your own brackets to put the feet on, you just come to Fence Post Rusty Goats HQ, draw it up on the computer, make sure you bring a six pack,
Bring the beers.
and away you go, cut away. That's everything fully welded out with the wheels on, and this 40-piece fixture kit has arrived from Hare Forbes Machinery Warehouse. So yeah, heap of fixtures, few clamps. I also got this welding clamp tool tray, which is an accessory for it, and tucked in a piece of flat bar down there. So hopefully this will sit under there somewhere. But yeah, now it's time to tape this top so I don't get paint on it, and go out and give it a coat of black zinc.
Start it up.
That's it, all done, painted up. Got this welding clamp tool tray mounted under the side here, and got this 14-piece welding table fixture kit. Got that all mounted in there. I don't know what else I want to put underneath yet, so I've sort of left that open. I'll tweak that as I go. I might put the little plasma cutter under there. But yeah, hopefully that inspires you to build one yourself. You can probably buy one cheaper, but what's the fun in that? In the next few weeks, we're gonna get cracking on some little TIG welding projects for the toy hauler. I wanna make some jerry can holders and other bits and pieces to finish off the welding part of the canopy, and then get started on the fit out. I don't wanna start fitting it out and then find out that I have to weld something and then, you know, set the bloody carpet on fire inside the canopy. So I'm trying to get the order of operations set that I don't stuff that up. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this sort of content, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff you meant to say. Other than that, I'm gonna crack a beer, kick back, and start planning the next project. Cheers.